Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is another exciting day. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my YouTube, my Instagram, my TikTok, all my little handles. Today we're doing our monthly BoxyCharm review, and then I'm going to just do a couple other videos talking to you guys about what's going on, and I have another haul video coming up. So if you guys want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm, just keep on watching. What is BoxyCharm? It's a monthly subscription box. You get 5 full-size items with an average of $175 for $27.99. It's a great value because you get to try all these products for probably a fraction of what you actually pay for beauty items. That's why I like BoxyCharm, and I hope to just always be on their PR list, and I will continue reviewing their products. So let's just see what I got. You can also upload to Premium or Luxe once subscribed to the base box. I have a code down in my description box if you guys want to join. That would be great. Alright, let's see what I got. So this is this month's box. Open it and show you. Ooh. As I hurt myself, sort of. So I did start decorating a little bit for the spooky season. I got this new skull right there and some boo friends, cute little boo friends right there. But I will be redecorating my background a little bit different, or maybe close to what I had it last year. I just had a spooky cute garland and my lights. I keep my purple lights up all year because Halloween is life. Okay, so this box is cool because it's called Dusk Till Dawn. I like the postcard it came, and all the items are on the back. So let's just dive right in. I'm going to take them all out of the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. No idea what any of these are. Okay, so the first item is by OPV Perfect Glow Palette. Okay, so this is OPV London. This can be used as a bronzer, highlighter, and a blush. Okay, so it's a face palette. Here it is here. Oh, it's pretty, but it's also broken. Oh no. This color got broken, but it is really nice. These colors will look good against my skin tone. And this will be good for the fall because of the colors that are in it. Oh, the eyeshadow palette I have on is my BoxyCharm Violet Voss Sunkissed palette. I will show it to you real quick because I wanted to show it to you guys before I got started. I got this in one of my BoxyCharms, and I have to say, I think Violet Voss, it's a hit or miss because some of these shadows, some of these pigments, they worked really well. Like the dark brown went on very nice and pigmented, but then the yellow I had to scrape a lot, not scrape, but I had to brush it on a lot just so you could see a little bit of it. But this is a really nice palette from BoxyCharm too. Anyways, we're getting off subject. So this retails for $34. So let's put it in our calculator to see how much the retail value of this box is. The next item is from La Rousse Beauty. I got something from them before. This Christine set includes a duo fiber cheek brush, small angled cheek, small concealer, and a small flat shader brush. Okay, so it's a brush set. The packaging is very nice. Let's see how to open it. Oh wow. Okay, so here they are. Yeah, they feel really soft and nice. They feel like a bunny. They feel like my birdies. Very, very nice. I do like brushes because I always need new brushes and I need to clean mine. Haven't cleaned them in a while. I will put this right here on my stand. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me this brush set. You can never not have too many brushes. I'm going to put it right here on my desk. Okay. And that retails for $50. The next item is by Galactic. That's this right here. It is a metallic sparkle shadow. And this retails for $20. It's saying It easily blends and you can wear it all day. It's a metallic finish. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so here it is here. Is there? It's right there. It's just like a little nice shimmer. These would actually be kind of good when you're traveling and you don't have time to put on makeup. I think these would be really nice. But the thing is, I like to make sure and have some kind of palette. But this could be good as, like I said, an eye topper. Or even like you can do it a little bit of a highlighter if you wanted to. It dries very quickly too. I do like that. And I do like Galactic. I do have some of their products too that I bought, I think from Macy's. Like they had this little 3-0 kit and it was really good. Again, and this retails for $20. The next item is by Queen Studio Brow Duo Brow Glue. Okay. There you go. Okay. So Command Your Brows is easy to use, non-stick, flake resistant, super long lasting transparent formula to stay in place for 16 hours. It works on any color brows, armed with this baby spoolie. Okay, so it's just, looks like it's just something that, yeah, so it's just going to keep your brows in place. I never used one of these. Okay, I'm willing to try this out. This is the price of this is $16. And the last item I got is the Beauty for Certain Deluxe Lipstick. So another Beauty for Certain product. Generate, originate, choose only the finest with Beauty for Certain's long-lasting deluxe lipstick. Oh, here's the packaging. It's very orange. It's good for the fall. Oh no. Oh shit, it's broken too. Damn it. It's a really pretty color. I did see one of my other friends and her box variation was very different from mine, but that's okay. That's the beauty of BoxyCharm. So these items, let's see. The lipstick is unfortunate, it broke. The face palette, unfortunately, it was also broken. And then the brush set was nice. The brow gel, I don't know if I would use it. I'll probably put it in my next giveaway. And the metallic eyeshadow, it's still up in the air too because it is pretty. Overall, this box, it was okay. I feel like they could have, I didn't get any skincare items. I do like getting skincare items too. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me August's box, Dusk Till Dawn. Has Twilight vibes. And sadly to say, Vampire Diaries, I just started watching it. And they are taking it off air next month. I don't know if I can get through all 8 seasons within like 3 weeks. I can try, but I'm not even halfway done with season 1. Oh well. But yeah, I really do like the seasons. But anyways, again, thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me August's box. And before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Bye, everybody.